Welcome to the MyFacilities portal tutorials. In this tutorial, we will be covering how to use the Access Tracking application. The first step after you log in is to select the menu icon located on the upper right corner of your screen. The menu will expand to display all your available services, depending on your level of access. If you have been granted clearance to use the Access Tracking application, it will appear in your menu under the Reports section. Click on Reports, and then click on Access Tracking. This will open up the Access Tracking dashboard. Currently, under the Available tab labeled Person on the top left, you can track the location accessed by a particular individual. In an upcoming release, you will also see a tab labeled Device, which will allow for reverse access tracking, where you can track all the individuals who used a particular device. To begin access tracking by person, enter either a Panther ID or name in Step 1. Then click Search on the screen or hit Enter on your keyboard. If your search was valid, it will populate options in Step 2, where you can select a user from the drop-down list. If you entered partial information in Step 1, such as only a first name or last name, you will have more options to choose from here. For the purposes of this tutorial, however, we will select the specific user we just searched for. After selecting the user, select the start date of the range you want to track in Step 3. And then select the end date of the range you want to track in Step 4. Next, just click Submit on the right. Once you submit your selections, the results will be displayed below in the Transactions History section. Here, you will see the number of transactions that match your search selections highlighted in blue, and the applicable list of access transactions below. You can further filter your results by entering a specific date, name, action, or device, and then simply clicking the Filter button on the screen, or hitting Enter on your keyboard. For example, we will filter by action to view only denied access transactions. First, we enter Denied under the Actions filter, and then we will hit Enter on the keyboard. The results have now been filtered. You also have the option of exporting your results directly to Excel. To export your results at any point, simply click the Export button located on the upper right corner of the Transaction History list. This concludes the Access Tracking tutorial.